everyone, thanks for coming back to my YouTube page, and today I'll be coming to you with a video on this hair, this crochet hair that I got from Leeven's hair store off of Amazon. So this hair does come packed for you in a little baggie, and I did get the 18-inch passion twist, and these are the bags that it comes in. And to be honest, I only use 2 bags of these, like only 2. And I think the strands, this is how small the strands are, and you do have to twist it yourself. So this is a strand of the hair, and they do provide you with a crochet hook. So if you don't have one at home, don't worry, they got you covered. But this is how the hair looks out of the little packages, and you do have to twist the hair basically the same direction that the curls, the crinkles are going in. If not, it's going to unravel fast. So you do have to, you know, twist the hair like that, which I did. I twisted the hair, you know. So I'm going to insert a little video of me installing a couple little twists in my hair. But before we get into this video, I would like for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. If you guys are interested in this hair, I'll leave all the links down below in the description box. And I just want to thank you guys for following me. Thank you guys for liking my videos. So I won't hold you up any longer. Let's get right into this other video. If I didn't mention before, in the packet they do provide you with little jewels. So if you want to put the jewels on your hair, there you go. It's just a little jewel right there. I love how this looks. This is my first time actually wearing my hair like this in a long time. If you guys are interested in this hair, I'll leave all the details that you need to know down in the description box. I hope you guys enjoy this mini video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my page. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.